Chocolate lovers should be on the lookout for Cacao St. Lucie's products. Cacao St. Lucie, which was established in 2015, officially unveiled its products to the public. Owner Maria Jackson shared insights on the genesis of the enterprise at a soft opening ceremony last week.
This establishment is located at Belvedere Canneries, one of the most poverty-stricken villages on the island of St. Lucia. Cacao St. Lucie's main objective is creating sustainable economic development for this community, thus alleviating the present high level of unemployment that exists in this village. This enterprise is particularly geared to the growth and enhancement of women and mothers of canneries.
Ancillary Canneries MP Dominic Fede is also the Minister for Tourism, who has been one of the driving forces in the move towards village tourism. He's excited about the employment opportunities from this promising venture.
My understanding is that when this facility is fully completed and operational, we would have somewhere in the region of about 25 full-time jobs in this area. Now, this is big for canneries, very, very big for canneries. But not just that, I think as well, the opportunity also exists to encourage the revitalization of many abandoned cocoa farms in canneries.
Prime Minister Alan Chasney welcomes the potential of the product for the tourism sector.
What's the difference between being good and great is the great companies make sure that that product tastes good 100% of the time. Quality control. And I just want to say to you, we're proud of you. We're here with you. And I think that this is going to be one of the gems in the crown of St. Lucia.
Export St. Lucia will help the company ship its products to other overseas markets. CEO Sunita Daniels says the company's compliance with international regulatory standards makes its market's entry a lot easier.
The holistic approach to the product design affords another layer to the unique customer experience. Export St. Lucia, also responsible for service exports, would be honored to market the hospitality component of Cacao St. Lucie. Our strides as an agency, and certainly through the government of St. Lucia, has been towards the development and promotion of export excellence from St. Lucia.
Cacao St. Lucie produces a range of gourmet dark chocolates and cocoa nibs, milk chocolates, truffles, and chocolate-coated nuts. According to the World Cocoa Foundation, people around the world, but mostly in Europe and the United States, consume more than 3 million tons of cocoa beans a year. Joachim Duplessis, HTS News Force.